Exercise 1.3. The lattice constant of a face-centered cubic structure is 4.25 angstrom. Calculate the surface density of atoms for a 100 plane and 110 plane. Given lattice constant A equals to 4.25 angstrom, which is equals to 4.25 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Crystal structure face centered cubic FCC. The surface density atoms is defined as surface density equals to number of atoms on the plane over area of the plane. Now we will calculate this for both the 100 and 110 planes. Before we calculate the surface density of the 100 plane, we have to understand the 100 plane in FCC structure. The 100 plane is a square plane cutting through the unit cell perpendicular to the x-axis. In FCC, this plane has 4 corner atoms, each shared by 4 adjacent unit cells in the plane. Therefore, the contribution is 4 into 1 by 4 is 1. Also, we have one face centered atom entirely within the plane and the contribution is 1. Now, the total atoms in the 100 plane will be 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 atoms per unit square. The area of this square is simply A 100 plane is equals to A square. Substituting the value of A, which is 4.25 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter whole square is 1.806 into 10 raised to power minus 15 centimeter square. Therefore, the surface density equals to 2 over 1.806 into 10 raised to power minus 15, which is equals to 1.107 into 10 raised to power 15 atoms per centimeter square. Now we try to calculate the surface density of the 110 plane. Before we do that, we have to understand the 110 plane in FCC structure. The 110 plane is rectangular, intersecting both the x-axis and the y-axis at equal lengths. Therefore, in the FCC, this plane has total 4 corner atoms, each shared by 4 unit cells. The contribution will equals to 4 into 1 by 4, which is 1, and 2 face centered atoms, each shared by 2 unit cell. Therefore, the contribution is 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1. So, the total atoms in the 110 plane is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 atoms per rectangular unit area. Now we'll calculate the area of the 110 plane. The area of 110 plane is A110 is equals to A into root 2 into A, which is equals to under root 2 A square. Substituting the value of A, which is 4.25 into 10 raised to power minus 8 whole square. After solving this, we'll get 2.554 into 10 raised to power minus 15 centimeter square. Now the surface density is equals to 2 over 2.554 into 10 raised to power minus 15 centimeter square. On solving this, we will get 7.83 into 10 raised to power 14 atoms per centimeter square. So the final answer is for 100 plane, the surface density is 1.11 into 10 raised to power minus 15 atoms per centimeter square, and for 110 plane, the surface density is 7.83 into 10 raised to power 14 atoms per centimeter square.